All right, viewers, we are moving on to a big breaking news coming in. This is related to Raghav Chaddha. Now, breaking news coming in, viewers. It looks like Raghav Chaddha has taken a whale dig at the Aam Aadmi Party. That's the latest coming in. What did Raghav Chaddha said? He said that both the party leader and the newly appointed deputy leader were absent. Remember, this is coming in the backdrop of him being recently removed from the post of the deputy leader's post. He says, far as the entire controversy is concerned, Raghav Chaddha basically taking a whale dig, a swipe at the Aam Aadmi Party related to the proceedings in the Rajya Sabha. He said that both the party leaders and its newly appointed deputy leader were absent, while he recently was removed from the post of the deputy leader's post, and that is the latest coming in. Let's listen into what he had to say.
Sir, the leader of the party I belong to is not present in the house, and the deputy leader, newly appointed deputy leader of the party I belong to, is also not present in the house. I am the recently removed deputy leader of the party. I am present in the house. मेरा व्यक्तिगत रिश्ता श्री हरवंश जी के साथ थोड़ा खट्टा मीठा रहा. खट्टा उस समय जब हम ऑफ टॉपिक चले जाते हैं तो उनसे डांट भी खाते हैं, और मीठा उस समय जब टॉपिक पे रह के सटीक बात करते हैं. एंड सर, मैं इस अवसर पर बस आधा मिनट लेते हुए आपको भी बधाई देना चाहूंगा. जब से आप इस सदन के अध्यक्ष बने हैं, आप सभापति बने हैं, हम तमाम मेंबर्स को बोलने का काफी मौका मिलता है. जब से आप इस गद्दी पर विराजमान हुए हैं, 15, 20, 22 सदस्यों को 0 आवर में मौका मिलता है, तो मैं आपको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूंगा.
Kritika, the Aam Aadmi Party versus Raghav Chaddha Rao playing out in the open. Raghav Chaddha taking a whale dig at the Aam Aadmi Party. Take us through what Raghav Chaddha said, and has the AAP reacted to his whale swipe at all till now?
Well, the Aam Aadmi Party is yet to respond, but remember, this is also, in fact, a fresh development in the very open clash between the Aam Aadmi Party and Raghav Chaddha. Recently, we've seen, in fact, ED raids at Ashok Mittal's place, the new deputy leader of the Aam Aadmi Party in Rajya Sabha as well, which the Aam Aadmi Party had directly linked as a result of the perceived closeness between Raghav Chaddha and the Bharatiya Janata Party now. So the Aam Aadmi Party is also trying to distance themselves and in fact have been very vocal in their attacks against Raghav Chaddha. They've also termed his new demeanor, which is very anti-Aam Aadmi Party, as a direct result of possible influence as well as intimidation on part of the BJP in terms of different sort of allegations of financial nature that could be leveled by them against Raghav Chaddha. This is what the Aam Aadmi Party has had to say so far. But even in this address of Raghav Chaddha, for him to take a direct swipe at him, at the Aam Aadmi Party inside the Rajya Sabha, is now something which is of nature of a fresh escalation. Because remember, he did not use this platform to in fact criticize directly any of the policies that the Aam Aadmi Party had in fact called out the Bharatiya Janata Party or the NDA alliance or the government at large over. But he's using it now to in fact raise the question of the presence or rather the absence of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders inside Rajya Sabha. Over to you.
All right, thank you for joining us with all these updates. Viewers, we are slipping into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.